Disease and asthma. Some early research suggests benefits for specific conditions. Microbiome effects. Emerging research has found that coffee consumption can alter the gut microbiome composition, enhancing the growth of beneficial bacteria. This has led researchers to explore probiotic solutions based on coffee ingredients and the use of coffee as a prebiotic to promote gut health. A healthy microbiome may help prevent inflammation and diseases linked to dysbiosis. Pharmaceutical development is looking into exploitation of coffee's microbiome modulating properties. In summary, beyond its usual role as a beverage, coffee shows promise for pharmaceutical applications due to its complex makeup of bioactive compounds. Coffee ingredients like caffeine, antioxidants, and phytochemicals are under investigation for medical uses ranging from treating chronic diseases, cognitive issues, and inflammation to modulating the microbiome. While still in early stages, the intersection of coffee and the pharmaceutical industry holds potential to yield new drugs, supplements, and therapies derived from one of the world's most ubiquitous plants. Coffee and the pharmaceutical industry may seem like unlikely bedfellows, but in fact, there are a number of interesting connections between these two fields. Coffee is one of the most widely consumed beverages in the world, with millions of people starting their day with a cup of coffee. However, coffee is not just a tasty beverage, it also contains a number of compounds that have potential health benefits. For example, caffeine, which is a key component of coffee, has been shown to have a number of positive effects on the body, including reducing fatigue, improving cognitive function, and even reducing the risk of certain diseases. In recent years, there has been growing interest in the potential pharmaceutical applications of coffee. Researchers have been studying the various compounds in coffee, such as caffeine and chlorogenic acid, to determine their potential therapeutic effects. For example, caffeine has been shown to have a number of potential applications in the treatment of neurological disorders such as Parkinson's disease and Alzheimer's disease. Other compounds in coffee, such as chlorogenic acid, have been shown to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which could make them useful in the treatment of a range of diseases, including cancer and heart disease. In addition to their potential therapeutic applications, coffee and its compounds are also being used in the development of new drugs. For example, caffeine is often used as a key component in over-the-counter pain relievers and cold medications. Caffeine can help to enhance the effectiveness of these medications, while also providing a boost of energy and alertness. Additionally, coffee extracts and compounds are being investigated as potential treatments for a range of diseases, including cancer, diabetes, and obesity. One example of the use of coffee compounds in the pharmaceutical industry is the development of coffee-based drugs for the treatment of Parkinson's disease. Parkinson's disease is a progressive neurological disorder that affects millions of people around the world. Currently, there is no cure for Parkinson's disease, and available treatments are limited in their effectiveness. However, researchers have discovered that caffeine and other compounds in coffee can help to reduce the risk of Parkinson's disease, as well as alleviate some of the symptoms of the disease. This has led to the development of coffee-based drugs that are being tested as potential treatments for Parkinson's disease. Another example of the use of coffee compounds in the pharmaceutical industry is the development of drugs for the treatment of type 2 diabetes.